Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? JavaScript output, inner HTML, document write, window alert, and window print. Let's start coding. We are going to use js1.html file in this tutorial. We have already created at beginning of our tutorials. By the way, if you have a problem with HTML or CSS, you may consider to have a look at our HTML CSS tutorial series. P-tag, and I need to assign an ID because we are going to use that ID name in our JavaScript. ID equal, you can assign any name you want. Let's say inner. We are going to start with inner HTML. Let's save it and let's start JavaScript. Document dot get element by ID and brackets, then our codes and the name of the ID inner. So we assign inner here as you see, and we use that same ID name in our JavaScript as you see, and dot inner HTML and equal something else. Let me make it wider for you guys. It might be a string, it might be a mathematical calculation. For example, let's assign a string inner HTML and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see that message on our browser. So we don't need to check our result from console anymore. Let's assign another things. For example, let's say 20 times 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. And we see the result 100. And let's have a look at document write. Let me comment them out and save it. If you want, you can make that one commented out too. It is up to you. And save it. We just need to type document write. Document write and brackets. As we did before, we can assign a text or we can use mathematical calculation in our brackets. Let's add a string, document write test, and let's add semicolon and save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we displayed that message on our browser. Let's change it. For example, let's say 40 plus 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the result. Let's create a button and then use that document write on this button. Let me comment them out and save it, and let's create a button. Button, let's say show, and let's add type for button, and we need to use on click to do that. The aim is running the JavaScript code when we click that button. So that's why we are using onClick and document write and brackets, let's say 3 times 8. Let me get it down and let's save it and have a look at it. Let's click the button. You see guys, we see result. Let me comment them out and save it, and let's have a look at window alert. We just need to type window alert and message. As I said, you can assign a string or you can use mathematical expression and calculation. Let's say my first alert and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our alert when we save the file and click OK. If you want, you can use just alert too. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we are having the same result, and let me get it back. Let's save it. You see the same result. Let me comment them out, and I want to show the same things on our HTML. Let's create another button. Type button and on click alert, my alert. Let me get it down and type a button name alert. Let's save it and have a look at it. I need to click that button. You see guys, when I click button, that alert pop up. I just need to click OK to make it invisible. Regarding using window or not, In JavaScript, the window object is a global scope object. That means that variables, properties, and methods by default belong to the window object. This also means that specifying the window keyword is optional. And let's have a look at window print. Let me copy that one and comment them out, then paste it here. You just need to type here print. If you want, you can use window print or print. So it is optional. And I don't need message. Let me delete that one. And let's change our button name. Let's say print. Let's save it and have a look at it. When I click that button, it's going to try to print out that page. Click it and we see printing page as you see. And let's cancel it. And also, as you remember, we have been using console log. Console log is also an output method. We have already talked about it and used in our previous tutorials. We will use all of things in our future projects. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.